Hey guys, it's Mike down here in Louisiana. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk about AI. And I know AI kind of controversial, and you do have a lot of people just totally naysay it. But I think, AI, if you use it in the right way, can be very effective and keep a lot of your realism as well. Here's what I do with AI. Like, I love to write content. I really do. I'm not just going to pick out a topic and just say, here, write me out a cool, and it probably could. But here's the thing, you lose its authenticity that you're creating. I want my stuff to be authentic. So I like to use AI to help just basically clean up grammatical errors. And I had a learning disability, and sometimes it still leans its ugly head. So I use AI to help clean up pronunciation, any kind of spellings, anything like that, which is totally fine. But I write from the heart, man. I will write about something in my life. You can't AI experience. You can't AI, stuff that happened to you, your life. But what you can do is help be able to clear it up a lot easier for people to see it. Because sometimes people have writing blockages and need a little help, stuff like that. Um, so I have no problem with AI. It's the people that say, "Hey AI, just create me a cool this and that and this that do that." I like creating my own self. I like to create my own content. And like I said, I only use to clean up or get a really cool picture. And that brings me to another thing. I love AI pictures because, look, if you just take a picture of me walking, it's boring as hell. It adds a little thing to it. It makes it more, makes it easier for people to read. People are visual, they want to see pictures, even if it's not 100% real, you know what I mean? I love taking pictures like I'm in Hawaii. Why not use it as a form of visualization? That's what helped me. And, they started doing it about 2, 3 years ago. And so I was trying to imagine myself 100 pounds less. And, it kind of gave me a vision of work towards that. So, guys, don't diss AI. Learn to use it to your advantage. Learn to use it as another tool on top of your own creativity. I hope that helps. I hope you can take this for what it is. But yeah, I get it. People don't like the fakeness of it and stuff. I get it. But again, it's kind of more about entertaining and catching a person's eye than but yeah, I show a lot of real pictures, believe it or not, too. And this is not AI either. This is really crappy hair right now. All right, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day and take care.